In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for hundreds or even thousands of jobs using Claude. Basically, we're going to develop a bot that will scrape LinkedIn. It will find all the jobs related to your background. It will filter them based on your preferences and also your experience to find some matchings. Then it will read the job description and the company details to write a fully tailored CV and cover letter for that specific job to make sure it can pass the ATS. Also, after uploading the CV or cover letter, it will fill out all the information related to job application for you before submitting that. Everything is fully automated. You don't have to touch anything. And the quality is very high. You're going to be amazed by the quality. You can run this code with Codex as well. So if you don't have Claude Pro account, there is no issue. You can use Codex. Without further ado, let's get into it. In the first step, just download the workflow from my school community. You can actually find the link in the video description. In the classroom section, you can find LinkedIn Autobot and just download it from here. Now, we have to use an IDE to open the file. You can use Google Anti-Gravity or you can use Visual Studio. Both of them are totally free and their UI is quite similar, so don't worry. Just pick one of them and start using. Personally, I'm using Visual Studio, so just download it for your system. I already installed that. This is how it looks like. In the extension section, this section, you have to install Claude. Just search for Claude. You can see it in here and click on install. If you want to use Codex, you just have to search for Codex in here and install it. Okay, it's already installed. In the settings section, settings, make sure this is enabled. We want to allow Claude to do everything. Basically, it has access to everything. Otherwise, you have to constantly click on approve, which is very annoying. Now we're ready to go. Just open the folder in here and we can see all the files. Just open one of these, for example, this one. In this section, you can see the Claude icon. Click on this. Let me close the other chatbots. And now we can ask Claude whatever we want. If you're not logged in before, just write /login and basically you can log in your browser. Click on authorize and now we have access to Claude and we can make any changes we want to our files. Before we start the bot, we have to upload our CV and cover letters as a sample. Just open the project folder in here. In the data section, we have to upload our CV in the CV folder and cover letters in this folder. Let me paste them. These two are actually my cover letters. Let me copy them and also move to bin. This is my CV in here, my cover letters, paste them in here. And now if I back to basically Visual Studio, in the data section, you can see my CV is in here and cover letter as well. You have to upload them as a Word format and not PDF. However, our bot has this functionality that it will convert the final CV or cover letter to PDF and those PDF will upload on LinkedIn. Now we're ready to go. We actually have to call the skill. I've built a skill, Claude skill, named LinkedIn apply. Let me write it. And let's start with applying to 2 jobs. Let's start with 1 job. Here's the important thing. Based on my CV and cover letter, it will write a persona and also profile for me. And based on this information, it will fill out the forms on LinkedIn. Also, if it requires more information that I haven't provided on my CV or cover letter, it will ask me to cover those gaps. So let's actually run it. It will automatically get all the data from my CV and it will update the persona and profile. I have to mention you have to change this to bypass permission. In this way, it doesn't ask me questions constantly to approve. Now it's actually asking about my suburb postcode. I'm just selecting one of these because I don't want to share my exact location. And in here, what are your salary expectation? 25 to $30 per hour. How deep is your Excel experience? I can select all of these and click on submit. If the job asks more question and it doesn't have any information about them, it will ask us again. And the more you run the bots, the faster it will become and it will be fully automated. In the first few applies, it could ask you some questions, but this bot has this functionality that it improves over time. Some of the skills, for example, I know zero. I don't need any, notice. I can start immediately. These are all the fields that I want to basically apply. And as soon as it finishes, it has all the information about me. It will open my Chrome automatically and it will scrape for all those jobs. What locations you're willing to work in? I only want to work in Sydney and remote hybrid. Yeah, let's anywhere in Sydney Metro. Let's select all of them. And for the job filters, I only want some jobs over the past week, not past month. And let's say per run and per day. 10 run, 20 day. Let's click on submit. This is the good thing about it. It will ask you some questions and you just have to answer them. Keep that in mind. For browsing, we're actually using an MCP and it's automatically installed that MCP for me as well. We have to provide OpenAI API key. So let's add one. Let me open OpenAI website. You can basically use Gemini or Claude as well, but personally, I want to use OpenAI to write my CV or cover letters. And if you're using the pro account, you can get up to $120 credit, which is enough to apply to thousands of jobs. Go to the platform.openai.com API keys, and in here click on create new secret key. Let's name it LinkedIn auto apply and click on create secret key. Do not share this key with anyone. I'm going to revoke this after this tutorial. Just copy this back to Visual Studio and say, yeah, I will add this. We should have a env file in here. Just open this and paste your API key in this section. Make sure to click on command save to save the file. Is your OpenAI API key now saved? Yes. As I told you, if you want to use Gemini to write the CV or cover letter, you can basically paste the API key for Gemini. Gemini is totally free to use, so you can paste it if you don't have OpenAI API key. Ready to verify the API key again? Yes, check again. Chrome DevTool MCP actually opened my browser and now we have to sign in. Let me sign in here. Now we're logged in, just send a message in here, logged in, and it will continue scraping for me. You can see it takes a screenshot and then, Claude will say what to do next. Let's back to the browser. It actually opened this job for me. It's looking at the profile to get some information about the company. If I back to Visual Studio, you can see it's actually tailoring my CV for this job position. And now it's opened the job again, and this time it has the CV tailored based on the company and the job description, and it will auto apply for me. You can see it clicked on easy apply. It will fill out with my Gmail, phone number. This number extracted from my CV. I put a fake number on my CV because I don't want to, share my real number in a YouTube video. It automatically click on next. Now it should upload the CV that's tailored based on the job description. You can see it uploaded the CV in here. Even the name has changed based on the job, which is very professional. And we uploaded our CV as in PDF in Word format, but it automatically converted that to PDF. Now it will answer the job form based on our information. If it needs more information, it will probably ask us on Visual Studio. You can see it filled out the information based on my experience. And now we're in the review section. Personally, I always want to review each job application. So I told Claude to not submit it automatically and wait for my manual approve. And if you don't like that, you want to make it fully automated, you just have to ask Claude to automatically basically submit the application form for you. This is basically how it works. For each run, you have to spend some tokens, but the more you use the bot, the more lessons it will have from each mistake. And the next time it will be much easier to apply for different projects and the less tokens you have to spend. Now, if you want to start applying for multiple jobs, all you have to do is to, for example, apply for 10 jobs, 20 jobs, and whenever it finish one, it will open the new job in a new window. You can see the whole process. Also, I have to mention for this job, since they didn't require cover letter, it didn't write cover letter for me. But if they require that, it will automatically write that for you based on your cover letter samples. Let's actually take a look at the CV that it has written for me. It's very well written. It follows exactly the same format. I asked to be only 2 page, and it's exactly 2 page. I'm happy with the results. You can find all the files in my school community. I really hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Cheers.